Alright, so here goes the startup of the Frigidaire 5000 BTU air conditioner from outside. Here goes some data and tabs and stuff if you guys want to know when this unit was made. This unit was made in 2016, as you can see. January 2016, R410A. So yeah, here you guys go. Hold on, let me get the camera in there. Come on, camera. Get in there. Alright, here we go. Hold on, let me make sure you guys can see what's going on in there. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Alright, I'm done.